In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Minecraft shaders so your Minecraft can go from this to this. Now, there are 3 very good shaders which I'll link in the description below and you can see in the screen right now. I'll only be downloading one of them, but there are again 3 good ones. You can go through each one and see which one's the best, or you can download all 3 and then decide which one's best for you. But again, 3 of the best ones in the description. I'm only going to be downloading the first one on the screen right now. So let's get into it. So here are the 3 good ones, like I said. What I'm going to be downloading is the first one, the Silder's Vibrant Shaders. This from the images looks like the best for me. Again, you can go through each one of them, or you can just download all 3 and choose which one's the best for you. I heard this one's also very good as well, if you're interested. So to download it, just click on this arrow and click on download here. Then it'll download a zip file. You can save anyway. I just save it on the desktop and keep it like that. For me, it will download as WinRAR because I have the app WinRAR, but for you, it might, if you don't have the app WinRAR, it will save you as a zip file. Alright, after downloading, you want to open your TLauncher right here, and then you want to open up your file location, which is this option right here. So click on that, and then it'll open up your files. Now you should find a folder called Shaderpacks, which is right here. If you don't have this folder, just create one, it doesn't matter. Obviously, I have no shaders at all. I've never had any shaders. If you have past shaders, you'll see them here and then you'll know how to do it. But so what you want to do is make a small window right here, minimize the TLauncher, and from the desktop where you downloaded the shaders, you may get a WinRAR again if you have the app WinRAR, or you just get a compressed zip file, whatever it is. Just drag it into here and move it to here. And then that should be it. We're nearly done. What you want to do is open Minecraft now. And now from here, before you open, make sure you are on a version of Minecraft where it says Optifine with a TLauncher. I meant to say Forge Optifine, not Optifine. So if you hear me keep saying Optifine, just think Forge Optifine with a TL logo, not Optifine. Alright? It only works with the Optifine. What will work is the Optifine with the TLauncher. So this is a pretty old version. You just gotta wait for TLauncher to come out with these updates. But other than that, just enter the game. So load up into your world. And yeah, as you can see, I've entered Minecraft with the shaders. You can see the sun, you can see the shadows. Now I'm in a new world and I have to tell you one thing. This won't work at all with newer versions of Optifine. Right now I'm at 1.2, 1.8. I tried 1.2, 1.9 and it did not work. So you're gonna have to wait until the Optifine has been better, or just in general, because the latest Optifine has not been good at all. But yeah, that's pretty much the tutorial. If you're playing an earlier version of Minecraft, like I said, this is 1.2, 1.8, so it's working well. If you want to play in a specific version, in all the CurseForge websites, if you go to files here, and you scroll down, you can see the one specifically for the game version, and you can see I downloaded the 1.2, 1.8 version here. If you want to play other earlier versions, you can, just the latest ones are not good right now. So you don't have to wait for that to be patched up. But other than that, that's the tutorial. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like. I know maybe you guys will have some issues in the comments, so leave it in the comments and I'll try and get to you guys as quick as possible. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.